Hi everyone, welcome to the Carousel Show. Today we have a very special guest. She's going to talk with us about your mind, body, and spirit and Chinese medicine. Let's welcome Dr.JiLing Hu. Hi Dr. Hu.
Hi Carol.
How are you?
Good, thank you.
Welcome to the show.
Thank you for having me here today.
So I know your acupuncture center's name is Mind, Body, and Spirit. Can you tell us, how did you come up with the name with that?
Oh, yeah, because in Chinese medicine, mind, body, and connection is very important. You know, we just in Chinese medicine we believe, you know, in holistic approach, we treating the patient as a whole person. We are not just look at the physical aspect of the health. We also take a very strongly impression about emotion aspect of the condition of the body. So that's why, you know, lots of people come with not just physically problems, more so in mentally imbalance of the body, especially in US, you know. So that's why, you know, we name our clinic as Mind, Body, Spirit Acupuncture Center.
You know, we hear a lot of sayings in Chinese, which is keep it balanced, in balance, and harmonious. How do you know if your body is not balanced?
Yeah, it's a very good question because everything about Chinese medicine, about human body, it's in terms of the balance of the yin, the yang. Yin yang, such, you know, broad meaning of the concept right now can involve the many aspects of everything, universe and human body, and everything you can look at yin yang. So, for example, our yin is, you know, it's related to kind of any nourishment of the substances in the body. Yang is more related to functioning aspect of the body. For example, the organ energy, and we call it yang qi, and nourish substances in the body we call the yin, and essence in the blood. So if, of course, those yin yang can more deeply relate to also involve the organ, each internal organs, like yin organ and yang organs, and also the 5 elements. So it's a big concept, you know, but more, they can just really simply manifest everywhere of the body,
So in Chinese, we have the 5 different elements. How do you apply it to the internal organs?
Yeah, for example, you know, like 5 yin organ, we call the heart, lung, spleen, liver, kidney. It's, you know, so this organ has the Western names, but have a different, you know, much more functioning aspect of the meaning. And so, for example, heart is related to, in 5 elements, we relate to the fire. And so liver is related to the wood, and spleen related to the earth, just like the food, you know, we eat from the earth.
Right.
And then, you know, or to nourish our spleen energy. And the kidney is related to water. Water is our, you know, prenatal organs, water energy. And the lungs relate to the metal. So each organ, so Chinese medicine uses 5 elements to, you know, recognize the human bodies. So each organ has their own emotions too. These emotions also relate to 5 elements. You know, for example, heart relate to the joy. You know, too much joy, you know, excitability, you know, excitement will damage the heart energy. You know, so for example, you know, lots of you know, have you heard about in the psychology department, lots of time during the holiday, lots of people come for emotional, you know, for depression or whatever after holiday. But, you know, in Chinese medicine, we believe that's because too much excitement has been built up and then one day just crashed.
Maybe they got too many gifts.
Too much, you know, yeah, too much parties, you know, excitement. But afterwards, you know, they cause the energy, heart energy, to be scattered and damage the heart qi. So they feel sluggish, have a hard concentration, and, you know, depression, have, you know, difficult concentration. They call it post-holiday syndrome. You know, so that's in Chinese medicine can be, you know, exactly explained by the, you know, 5 elements emotions related. That's one of the emotions in the heart. But liver is related to anger. Anger, frustrations, you know, it's wood energy in the liver is related to too much anger, extremely rage, you know, they all can damage the liver organs, cause like the red eyes, you know, like the dry eyes, and also, of course, in women, lots of menstrual problems, menstrual cramps, PMS, and even during menopause, like, you know, lots of emotions, yeah. In the heart, in the kidney, is the fear, you know, the fear is deeply damaged the kidney, you know, so I heard an expression, you know, I'm so scared, you know, they can have kidney organ damage, you know, so people. So, and the lung is grief, sadness, grief, spleen is worry, overthinking. Obsessive overthinking can damage the spleen. Loss of appetite, that's exactly depression. And while the depression, if it's related to the extremely worry, thinking, nervousness, that's can really damage the spleen, digestive tract, you know. So that's the 5 emotions, 5 elements related to internal organs. So we believe internal organ imbalance can cause emotion imbalance, or emotion imbalance cause internal organ. Energy imbalance cause the more serious the internal organ problem. That's exactly mind-body connections, you know. So.